AI is revolutionizing data analytics. The present business world is largely influenced by an enormous overflow of data, known as big data. Dealing with this huge amount of both numerical and unstructured data sources requires skills beyond traditional statistical methods. As a result, the application of artificial intelligence.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
AI is seen as the vital factor that changes the whole scenario. The data and AI relationship, which is very potent, is essentially changing the way firms get the meaning and the strategic worth of their data. This change is a move of idea from mere descriptive reporting to predictive and prescriptive decision-making. With the help of sophisticated algorithms, AI in data analytics is turned on the spot into intervention-ready intelligence. The outcome of this is the creation of highly refined AI data insights. Thus, the cooperation between data analytics and AI is the condition for the survival of the game in the present world market. What results is an AI-enhanced performance model in which the use of AI and data analytics at a strategic level not only fuels innovation, but also pervades all the functional domains. What is artificial intelligence? To properly discuss its influences on data processing, the first step is to define AI. AI, artificial intelligence, is a large area of computer science that is mostly about the development of computer systems that are able to do the work conventionally done by human beings in the areas of learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. The field concentrates on artificial intelligence systems exhibiting human-like intellect. The AI capabilities of the present-day architectures are at the center of the modern artificial intelligence discussion, and they are mostly dependent on certain computational techniques. The most prominent of these is machine learning, a method that gives systems the ability to learn from data, discover regularities, and make choices with little direct programming. A very important feature of this is deep learning, which employs artificial neural networks with numerous layers to model complex data, like images or natural language. The set of concepts behind these principles supports the existence of various sophisticated artificial intelligence tools, which have become the integration of numerous industries. For a deeper understanding of AI concepts, check out this blog, Understanding Artificial Intelligence. Why AI matters in modern data analysis. AI is very relevant to present-day data analysis because it can cope with big data's volume, velocity, and variety very well. Traditional analytics models are often incapable of processing in real time and dealing with complex, nonlinear data relationships. On the other hand, using AI in data analytics makes it possible to quickly accomplish the automation of a great number of tasks that are extremely time-consuming, like data cleansing, feature engineering, and anomaly detection.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.